Shubor nakaslem jong unong san hima.
Was 1372. Edmund Kongai of All India Trinamool Congress is 124 and the total committee votes was 188. Nehru Student of Indian National Congress is 758 and the total committee votes was 137. Christopher Wilson of the National People's Party is 1208 and the total committee votes was 3294. Company of the Bharatiya Janata Party is 51 and the total committee votes was 73. Mandhalam Khaba of the World of the People's Party is 508 and the total committee votes was 1115. And Don Gopal Mata of Independence is 35 is 345 and the total committee votes was 590. And in the none of the above is 80 and the total committee votes in the none of the above was 35. That was the second round of the President Persla FC Assembly Constituency.
Kong kan sikimtian kung spokesperson dengan PPI NDP hapo kasi jante health ka come here. Ndrengi Garo Hills ka come kiyo kandiat.
Ngila expect ya kata na markadon kata ka confusion, political confusion ka kumar hakani ka.
Now we come to the round 3 of the President Persla FC Assembly Constituency. Anthony Justin Pangwang of the United Democratic Party is 801 and the total committee vote was 2173. Edwin Pangwang